fifth India-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue has started in New Delhi today. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar are co-chairing the 2+2 ministerial dialogue. The festival of Dhanteras is being celebrated in different parts of the country today. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has approved a path-breaking digital advertisement policy 2023 to enable and empower the Central Bureau of Communication, which is the advertising wing of the Government of India, undertake campaigns in the digital media space. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah, while addressing the 62nd Foundation Day, has said that as long as the Indo-Tibetan Border Force and army personnel are deployed on the border, no one can occupy even an inch of the country's land. In ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, New Zealand defeated Sri Lanka by 5 wickets at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru last night.